Hi, this is Mitch, and we're going to learn how to change the author of a post in WordPress. You can do it from the All Posts page here by just using this quick edit link, and there's a drop-down menu here for author. You just change that, and then be sure to select Update when you're finished with that, and you see the author is now updated. And there's another way to do this. You can, when you're editing the document or the post, you want to be under the post section, and then you can go to status and visibility, and here is the author box. And just flip that. Not going to do that now, but if you don't have that box, you're going to want to make sure you have more than one user and that those users have permissions to write. So if you see, if I delete this account, I have get rid of this. If I only have one account, I'm not going to have the option anymore. We'll go back out here. And you see the option to change the author is now gone. So be sure you have more than one user with writing permissions if you're missing that field. And that's all there is to it. That's how you update and change a author in WordPress. Thanks for watching.